Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your image to an anime. First of all, you can either use ChatGPT or Gemini. I'm going to show you using both how you can do it. So first of all, let's go ahead, ChatGPT. You're going to have to get logged into your account first, then click on this plus button. It will open up your gallery or your file explorer, and here simply drop the image which you would like to convert into anime. So for Gemini, you have to repeat the same process. Select this plus button, select upload file, and drop your image which you would like to be converted into anime. And now you can see that this is what it looks like from ChatGPT. This was the original photo, and this was the conversion. So if you would like, you can also go ahead and select edit and simply type in some details where you would want the changes. Then in Gemini, this is what it looks like. So as you can see, both are pretty similar. And just like so guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.